Let's create a new feed to demonstrate how that works. From your Adafruit IO account, select Feeds. Now in Actions, you can create a new feed. Let's create one called Temperature. New feed is created. Now let's show how to add some data. Select the feed, and under Actions, you can add data. For example, let's add the temperature 25 degrees Celsius. That's it. Once you've added the data manually, you'll see the value as well as the timestamp. In this case, it's in human readable format, graded at the bottom of the feed. Now let's see what happens if we enter incorrect data. Under Actions, we'll add data, but this time, instead of a number, we'll add a string. Notice that Adafruit IO does not do any type checking. It will let you enter any kind of data you like. So you can take advantage of that, or you can make sure that your code filters out any incorrect data. We can remove the incorrect data with the action Remove Selected Data. While I'm here, I'd like to show you that if you ever want to download all the data from your feed, select Download All Data. You can get it as a structured JSON file or as a CSV text file.